TNSR coin is back in spotlight, trading around 15 cents after blasting 62% up in the last 24 hours. And the entire Solana ecosystem is buzzing about this explosive comeback. Tensor has always been one of those tokens that moves in sudden waves, but this latest surge feels different. It's stronger, cleaner, and backed by a clear resurgence in Solana NFT volume, which is the backbone of the Tensor marketplace. What's driving the momentum right now is the renewed interest in Solana NFTs. For the last few days, floor prices across multiple collections have started rising again. Transaction volumes have doubled, and Tensor's own marketplace activity has spiked. Whenever the NFT sector heats up on Solana, TNSR almost always reacts because it's directly tied to the platform powering that traffic. The latest metrics show a major uptick in active traders and marketplace usage, and that has pushed fresh liquidity into TNSR. On top of that, Twitter analysts and crypto influencers are suddenly talking about Tensor's new updates, including improvements to their bidding engine and new reward structures for loyal traders. These are small upgrades on the surface, but in NFT-driven economies, even tiny incentives can massively impact user activity. More users mean more engagement, more fees, and more reason for traders to accumulate TNSR before the next reward cycle. The community is also building a narrative that Tensor is one of the few NFT-focused tokens that can actually survive long-term, especially as Solana continues to dominate in speed, fees, and ecosystem growth. That narrative is powerful, and it explains why whales have started to re-enter positions after weeks of low-volume consolidation. Now the big question: can TNSR hit $1? Mathematically, TNSR getting to $1 would mean a massive move, roughly a 6-7x from current levels. That kind of run isn't impossible in crypto, especially in the mid-cap Solana ecosystem where tokens have done 10x and 20x runs in short windows before. But it would require a perfect storm: Solana NFTs booming again, Tensor maintaining dominance over competing marketplaces, and another surge of retail buyers returning to NFT trading. The good news? The foundation for all those things is already visible. Solana activity is rising, NFT culture is heating up again, and Tensor remains the top platform for professional NFT traders. For TNSR to realistically approach the $1 region, it would need to break through the big resistance levels at 20 cents, 28 cents, and 35 cents. If those levels flip into support during a strong Solana market rally, then the token could start building the kind of momentum needed for a mid-cap breakout. The current pump shows that buyers are willing, and that confidence is often what fuels the next leg upward.